Momentum is a Google Chrome extension which turns your home screen for Google into a day planner. Some really great features of this extension are that it allows you to bookmark pages still on it. You still can do an internet search, but you're also getting the feature of having a to-do list and personal goal that you set at the beginning of every day. So it helps you to manage your day. And each day when you log into Google, it will give you a personalized greeting and ask you what your goals are for the day. You can also check the weather and make sure you checked off everything from yesterday's goals. So in order to use Momentum, what we've got to do is download the extension. And in order to do that, we're going to go to momentum-.com. Once you've pulled up the Momentum website, go ahead and choose to add Momentum to Chrome. You will be prompted to click Add to Chrome one more time and allow this program to make changes to your browser settings. Once you've allowed that to move forward, Momentum is going to ask for your name so that it can greet you personally every day, and for your email address and a password. This will allow your to-do list to be set up using your account. Once you've got that information in place, Momentum will start to ask you, what is your main focus for today? So you'll put in the task that you absolutely have to get done here. And when you've got that done, you can go ahead and check the box. Additionally, you can add to your ongoing to-do list. So maybe you don't have to complete these tasks today, but they are on your radar to try to complete. You can add new tasks to this list daily. You can also get rid of tasks by clicking in the text in the checkbox. And you can access previous to-do lists in your folders at the top. You can also move your to-do list items to other folders. And it's a really great tool just to keep you organized. I like that I can always check the weather at the top of the screen. That's great. And I like that it gives me a different picture and statement about life every day. There are some additional tools that you can set up, settings that you can set for yourself, some of which are not available unless you pay for the Pro account. But the bookmark feature is also nice. I like to bookmark a lot of things, websites that I visit regularly, so I like that I can bookmark them right on the screen. So I have basically everything I need. My to-do list, my #1 goal for the day, and all of my bookmarks. So this web page is really helping me to achieve my goals in an electronic format. I usually write everything down in a notebook, and I'm trying to start using Momentum instead of my notebook, just as a day organizer. So I hope you enjoyed this tool. I really have, and I hope that it helps you to be more productive.